Hi, I'm Dimitri from Italy. I spent 20 years doing innovation, and today I got something new that I hope you will like. Do you want to see? Follow me.
Hello Kickstarter, I'm John, and I'd like to introduce you to Blade RF, an inexpensive USB 3 software-defined radio. Software-defined radios, or SDRs for short, provide the ability to sample and manipulate the electromagnetic spectrum with no preconceived requirements as to the structure of the RF signal. Simply put, it allows us to interact with RF in its most fundamental form. SDRs are used for developing innovative communication devices and learning about radio. This project aims to provide more than just this hardware. The modern world is wireless. However, many developers aren't working on new and interesting wireless devices due to the high barrier of entry. We hope to lower that barrier and help you develop wireless devices and applications through tutorials and lab exercises. You'll learn everything from the basics of amplitude shift keying to quadrature amplitude modulation and work your way up to spread spectrum and wireless network media access controls. We will also cover data correction, coding schemes, and ultimately mindless systems. Beyond these topics, the radio is fully capable of supporting many applications, including radio astronomy, radar, DTV recording, GPS reception, GSM, 4G LTE, 802.11, Bluetooth, Zigbee, and many others. And in case you would like to expand on any of the functionality, we have a digital expansion port that allows for block converters, power amplifiers, or simple digital interfaces to allow the unit to run without the need of a USB host computer. We know we didn't think of everything, so the schematics and source code will be available for everyone to view and modify. We firmly believe it's your device, and you have the freedom to do with it what you want. And this is where you come in. We need your help to allow us to dedicate resources to mass-produce the Blade RF and to jumpstart our community. Our rewards will allow you to participate in something as simple as having a guiding vote in the tutorials we launch to something as tangible as the fully functional Blade RF unit. All of our backers will be able to provide feedback on the documentation and tutorials. With your help, we will be able to get equipment we need to improve and tune the Blade RF, finish the tutorials we've been working on, and most importantly, allow us to manufacture the Blade RF at an affordable price. With your help, we can manufacture the Blade RF and build a strong community. Thanks, everyone.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Čart Valentincic and I would like to introduce you Red Pitaya. Red Pitaya is a compact, open-source, reconfigurable measurement instrument that will enable everyone to start using technologies that were yesterday available only to advanced research laboratories and industry. Our founding team has more than 40 years of combined experience of designing and building high-performance measurement instruments for particle accelerators. Red Pitaya combines a dual-core ARM computer, FPGA technologies, enables high-performance signal acquisition, processing, and signal generation. It is a network-attached device with USB connectivity and additional extension possibilities. Red Pitaya replaces many expensive laboratory instruments that can cost many thousands of dollars.
Red Pitaya is really easy to use. Bazaar is a free-of-charge marketplace where open-source applications are available within a single click. Backyard is an organized repository that contains the corresponding source code and tools necessary for application development for all those who want to tailor the Red Pitaya to their own needs. Red Pitaya is therefore an ecosystem that enables easy use and development of reconfigurable open-source instruments. Let's have a look how Red Pitaya can be used.
The Red Pitaya basic applications include a dual-channel 14-bit oscilloscope that can be easily accessed from any smartphone, tablet or PC. In addition to this valuable diagnostic tool, Red Pitaya comes with a powerful spectrum analyzer with waterfall diagram functionality and many other applications. Red Pitaya is so powerful that it can be used for debugging Arduino and Raspberry Pi based systems. Everyone can now start exploring and interacting with real-world signals. Red Pitaya is a revolutionary product that will find application in engineering, education, physics, precise mechanics, ham radio, machine vision, industry, automation, and many others. For more details, we invite you to watch the published videos. We believe that Red Pitaya will enable a community of developers whose creativity will result in original and better instruments, With your contribution, we will produce the first batch of Red Pitayas and complete the ecosystem development. Advanced technologies available on Red Pitaya open new world of opportunities for everyone who wants to experience, develop, and share creative ideas. Support us and help us create a vibrant community.
Meet the Mini Spartan 6 Plus and the Scarab IDE, an easy-to-use GUI for developing, compiling, and loading your programs onto the FPGA. Both the board's layout and the IDE's code is open source.
I'm one of the founders of Scarab Hardware. Along with a team of engineers that have more than a decade of experience in the industry, we want to make products that will help serious hobbyists and engineers make the world a more interesting place to live. With the Mini Spartan 6 Plus, we think we've come up with one of the best FPGA kits on the market today.
Let's take a look at what's on board. At the heart of the board is the Spartan 6 LX9 FPGA. We've got an onboard USB JTAG programmer, 32 megabytes of SD RAM, 64 megabit SPI flash memory, an 8-channel analog-to-digital converter, a mini USB port for power and communication, an HDMI port, a stereo audio output, a micro SD card interface, 24 I/O pins along with the 8 analog inputs, and 8 LEDs. And all of that's packed onto a board that's smaller than a credit card. Now there's a handful of other boards on the market with some of the same features, but our Mini Spartan 6 Plus runs at about half the price of its closest competitor. That means you can save more money for all those late-night pizza orders. And with our Scarab IDE, it's easy to start building code on your board. Start by giving your project a name and a path, and the name of the board you'll be using, in our case the Mini Spartan 6 Plus. You can use the Scarab IDE to program any Spartan 6 FPGA. A few default files will be created for you, then you can start adding libraries for all the modules you'll be using in your program. In our example, we're using the HDMI library, which lets you use the HDMI output port, and the Video Pattern Generator library, which lets you use the FPGA to generate patterns to test your HDMI port. The only thing you need to do after that is write the code to connect your modules together. Click Compile and wait for the output, a .bit file, which can be downloaded directly to the FPGA board and starts running right away. With the powerful Mini Spartan 6 Plus board and the easy-to-use Scarab IDE, there's all kinds of projects you can make, like using the FPGA to play your favorite old games, or process video in real time. There's all kinds of potential, but we need your support to get this board into the hands of the hobbyists and engineers who will make some truly innovative products.
I feel the liftoff. The clock has started. Roger.
Hi, I'm Aaron, and for the last 2 years I've been designing and manufacturing hardware for the Raspberry Pi, as well as writing on the subject both online and for a number of magazines. Many of the projects I want to do with the Raspberry Pi are out in the real world and far away from mains power. But today, I'm realising my dream of setting the Raspberry Pi free. This is the Pi Juice, and I'm excited to show you what it can do.
Our goal has been to make the Pi Juice integrated and convenient, just like the power for your mobile phone or laptop. At the same time, the Pi Juice is modular, so it can be plugged in and out of your own projects at any time, quickly and easily. There are many ways of using the Pi on batteries, but so far, none of these are really that satisfying. Lots of cables, not knowing how much charge you've got left, bulky and often expensive. We've designed the Pi Juice to be compact, cost-effective and ideal for all portable applications.
The Pi Juice includes a long-lasting battery for all current Raspberry Pi models, includes full power management, a real-time clock, wake-on alarm and much more. Pi Juice is also capable of telling the Raspberry Pi its charge level, so it can automatically turn off when empty.
Whilst we're proud of the hardware, it's the applications of the Pi Juice that we're really excited about. Hey! As part of this Kickstarter, we want to create a set of inspiring projects that everyone can make at home, like an easy-to-build games console or compact camera. We also want to know about your ideas for setting your Raspberry Pi free, and we want to provide guides and open source hardware and software to make them happen. As well as making the Raspberry Pi portable, we've also been thinking, what if we can power the Pi forever, outdoors?
The power of the sun is clean and green. So we've developed the PiJuice Solar to tap into this infinite source of energy. This opens the door not only for free charging, but for all kinds of outdoors and remote projects.
I think PiJuice offers a great new opportunity for anyone using the Raspberry Pi for STEM outreach activities. It lets you take your Raspberry Pi off-grid, outside of the classroom, and offers loads of new opportunities and ways to use the Raspberry Pi.
If you want to build a Raspberry Pi robot, it's ideal if the battery and the power supply can be small and compact. The PiJuice, I think, is ideal because it's very compact and it has some very useful features which I think is perfect for robots.
每个外皮bulky batteries, PiJuice is compact. 每外皮 PiJuice.
None of this can happen without your support, so please check out our great pledges and awesome projects, and together we can make the Raspberry Pi even juicier.
We've got prototypes finished and tested, and manufacture is ready to start. Now we just need you to back this Kickstarter to allow us to deliver on the PiJuice, so that we can help people make their Raspberry Pi projects portable, simple, affordable and fun.
Years doing innovation, and today I got something new that I hope you will like. Do you want to see? Follow me. Hi, I'm Dimitri from Italy. I spent 20
Hello Kickstarter, I'm John, and I'd like to introduce you to Blade RF, an inexpensive USB 3 software-defined radio. Software-defined radios, or SDRs for short, provide the ability to sample and manipulate the electromagnetic spectrum